In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use connected properties in Notion. If you want your Notion workspace to feel more organized and more powerful, connected properties are a great feature to learn. They let you link one database to another. So instead of keeping related information scattered across separate pages, you can connect everything in a way that makes sense. This is especially useful if you manage tasks, projects, clients, notes, or any system where different pieces of information belong together. To get started, open the Notion database where you want to use connected properties. This is the main database where you want to see or manage linked information. For example, this could be a task database, a project tracker, or a client list. Once you're inside, think about what other database this one should connect to. Next, add or open the related database. If you already have it created, just open it so you can reference it easily. If not, create the database you want to connect. The key idea here is that both databases should contain information that naturally relates to each other. For instance, tasks may relate to projects, or meeting notes may relate to clients. Now create a relation property to connect the two databases. In your main database, add a new property and choose the relation type. This tells Notion that this property will be used to link entries from one database to another. After that, select the database you want to connect. Notion will ask which database should be linked, and once you choose it, the relationship between the two databases is set up. After the relation is created, link the correct items between both databases. This is the part where you connect actual entries, such as assigning a task to a project or attaching a note to a client. Take a moment to make sure the links are accurate because the usefulness of connected properties depends on how cleanly your data is connected. If you want to display extra information from the connected database, add rollups. Rollups let you pull in specific details from related entries such as status, deadlines, names, or counts. This helps you see important information without opening each linked page manually. Once everything is connected, you can use these connected properties to view related tasks, projects, clients, or notes all in one place. This makes your workspace easier to navigate and much more efficient to manage. As you build more connected systems in Notion, you'll start to see how much time this can save and how much clearer your workflow becomes.